This video is about writing an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given a graph. The directions say graph each line. So first thing I'm going to do is look for my y-intercept, which is my b value, which is 1. And my slope is the number in front of the x, which is -1/3. So first I'm going to begin on the y-axis at 1. I'm going to put a point there. Then I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 3. So down 1 to the right 1, 2, 3, and put a point. And go down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, and put a point. Since I don't have any more room going to the right, I'm going to find a couple more points going to the left. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go up 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3. Up 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to draw my line. And make sure that there are arrows on the end. Let's try number 2. We have the line x equals -3. For this one, I'm going to find 3 points that have the x value of -3. So I'm going to do -3, -1, -3, 0, and -3, 2. So -3, -1, -3, 0, and -3, 2. Now I'm going to graph my line. This is a vertical line. So there's my vertical line, and then I'm going to draw arrows on the ends. Let's try a few example problems now. So the first thing you're going to do when you're given a graph and you're writing an equation in slope-intercept form is first you're going to identify the slope and the y-intercept when you look at the graph. Second thing you're going to do is then write the equation in slope-intercept form. So let's try the examples. The directions state write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form using a graph. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the y-intercept, which is where the line touches the y-axis, which is at 1. So my y-intercept is at 1. And then I'm going to find the slope between those 2 points. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is 3/4, and it's a positive 3/4. Then we want to write our equation in slope-intercept form, which takes that form, y equals mx plus b. So remember, the slope is your m value, the y-intercept is your b value. So you're going to write y equals 3/4 x plus 1. Number 2, first thing I'm going to identify my y-intercept, which is where the line touches the y-axis at -4. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope of those 2 points. So I'm going to go down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So since I went down 1, I'm going to do -1 over 4 for my slope. Now my equation is going to be y equals -1/4 x minus 4.